School Freeware's Visual Basic Express 2010 Tutorials. Tutorial 44, Replay. EZInvaders, Part 13. The finished code for EZInvaders can be downloaded at schoolfreeware.com. A few people have commented that they want to know how to restart the game once the game is ended, so I'll go ahead and show that within this tutorial. Go into Forum Main and go to the sub, Check Game Over. Here within Check Game Over, underneath the message box, we'll call Play Again. And same thing under this message box, Play Again. So when the game ends, we'll just call Play Again and ask the user if they want to play again, yes or no. At the very bottom, I am going to create a new sub, private sub Play Again. I'm going to declare result to equal message box. Then within message box, the string Play Again. Then the message box style dot yes no. We'll have the string Play Again and then a yes or no button. If result is equal to message box result yes, then we know that the user pressed yes, so we'll play again. So once again, I'll load settings, else me.close, which will close the program. Alright, we need to make a couple of modifications under load settings and also under load invaders. We've already loaded the invaders from the form main load, so I'm going to go to the load settings right now and we'll make our modifications. I have to reset shot down to equal 0. Also, I want to make sure that sRight is equal false, so we're not moving the shooter to the right. And also sLeft will equal false, so we're not moving the shooter to the left. So the shooter isn't moving when the game restarts. I'll also cut my computer audio from form main load, and I'll put it under load settings. Also, the timer is no longer enabled when the game ends, so I have to make sure that I enable the timer again. So it's active, timer main.enabled equal true. Now here's the situation. I'm also going to have to move the invader's top back to 0 and the invader's left back to its start position. Also, invader's visible has to be true because at this time most of the invaders will be set to false when they're shot. Under load invaders, I'm going to cut invaders left and move it to load settings, placing it within the for loop. So here we have invaders left is now set to their start position. I'm also going to put invaders top to equal 0, setting the invaders back to the top of the screen, and also invaders visible is set to true. So now all the invaders can be seen. Next, within form main load, I'm going to cut load invaders and place load invaders above load settings. So that way we create the invaders first within form main load and then modify some of the settings within load settings. At the very bottom, we're just having load settings because we already created the invaders, so we don't need to go ahead and load the invaders again. We just need to modify the settings. So now let's go test this out. Okay, Earth is saved. Okay, play again. Yes or no? Yes. And the invaders come back. Okay, the invaders made it to the bottom. The game is over. Earth invaded. Play again. No, and the game ends.